mazingira yalivyo. Kwa hivyo ningeliomba serikali itujali kuhusu hii kijiji chetu hiki, ingawa na tujali kuhusu chakula.
Omukonyi bwo County Commissioner Ombita Neema Weshe nigaboririe abantu anene bali bamenyete ange ne nyancha ya Victoria gutaeswanania na mangana ye chingenjo ao adene yobosaria buno butumekibwa mariogo yo gutindia kwenya emebere yabo egatia yanda mange asiboigo aboririe abantu bamenyete ne binyinyi byenyamoreo kwenekia bunango ikabare abamwe abange elio konyora obwa mateburo bya
HIV will be reduced to some extent now that there's stories about sex for fish, and we won't shy away from it that it happens, but we promise to work hard and ensure that the problem is reduced. The same way this area, there's a lot of illicit cruise that we are really trying hard to fight, and we urge our community members to help us so that we work as a team and eliminate the menace. Instead of dealing with illicit brews, we urge our community members to engage in other activities that are income generating instead of depending on illicit brews that are illegal and they're not good for our health. Equally, we want to urge those people who are sick, those people who are HIV positive, to ensure that they take care of themselves and take the required ARVs and not neglect themselves. To the community, also not to discriminate those people who are sick, because it is normal, and we appreciate each one of us because we are all affected in one way or another. We want to thank all the organizations that are working hand in hand to ensure that our islands are get